In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add IDM extension in Google Chrome Full Guide. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure Chrome is fully loaded so you can follow each part without interruption. After Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. This is where Chrome extensions are listed and managed, and it is the official place to search for browser add-ons. When the web store opens, click on the Extensions section. Next, use the search bar in the Chrome Web Store and type Free Download Manager. Enter the search clearly so the store can show the most relevant extension results. Look through the results carefully and find the extension that matches that name. Once you locate Free Download Manager, you can open its extension page to review the details. This gives you a chance to confirm that you are on the correct listing before moving forward. If you are following along to add IDM support in Chrome, searching in the Extensions section is the key part of the process shown here. The main goal is to reach the correct extension listing inside the Chrome Web Store so it can be used in your browser setup. Take your time during the search so everything is accurate and easy to follow. That covers everything you need to know.